Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter with slicer in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. Normally to apply the filter, simply select the cell and use the Shift Control L. Then to category, just click on the filter icon and select your category and click on OK. So electronics category here the filter. But this process is time consuming. You can use the slicer to quickly filter. So let's see how it's done. Okay, simply select the entire data, Control A, then press the Control T to convert this data in table. After that, to create table is dialog box is open. Then click on OK and your data is totally converted in table. Okay. After that, same as select the entire data, Control A. Then go to the table design tab. In tools group, click on the insert slicer. And here the insert slicer dialog box is open. Then select the category and click on OK. And here you can see the category is added. So you can just drag and set accordingly here. So I set here. Okay. After that, just click on the slicer and go to the slicer tab. In slicer tab, in buttons group, in columns, so here total is category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in column 5, and here you can see slicer. You can add here. Now you just simply click on your category and see the here the filter is automatically applied. Furniture category. See, creating. See. So this way you can apply the filter quickly by using the slicer. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.